everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee video. And I'm Vernette. I'm helping my students to create a Shopee online store and help them to hit the 5-figure sales using Shopee. In this week's video, we are going to touch on chat podcast message. This is a new function that created by Shopee to the merchants. So what is the advantage of using these functions? Well, the advantage is very huge because the message that you are crafting is to your targeted customer or to your regular customer, that telling them the promotions that only exclusively for them. Let's go to the Shopee Seller Centre. Here is the Shopee Seller Centre, and come to the home page. And on your left hand side, there's this customer, and then chat podcast. Here is the one that we want to create the podcast message about your promotions, about your new voucher or new products that you want to offer exclusively to your existing customer. Click create podcast. This particular podcast you are going to craft for your followers or craft for your buyers. And you come to basic information, and here is the by default recipient group created by Shopee, which is recommended group for your store. So it is either you want to craft the message to the followers or you want to craft the message to the buyers. In this case, I would like to craft the message to the buyer. All right, so the buyer telling you how many estimated recipient you're going to receive. In this case is 203. Here you can type in your chat podcast name. The chat podcast name for me is, I'll put the name that I can recognize. And on your right hand side, you can see the preview how the message will appear on the buyer right here, which is you can customize the message here. Hi, thanks for being a top shopper. Here's something special to show our appreciation. Shop now while stock lasts. All right, so I'm going to give them a exclusive promotions. For the podcast content, you can offer them voucher, which is here, product or promotions. In this case, I would like to offer them a promotion, which is a bundle deal. Once you click confirm, you can schedule the broadcast time. You can either send now or you can schedule for later. If you want to send now, you can send now or you can save as draft. All right. So how about if you want to add a voucher? You can add a voucher here, either a shop voucher or product voucher. And then the product name, you can say any name because this will not be visible by the buyer. And you can place in the voucher code. So the reward type, you can give them two types. One is the discount and one is the coins cashback. For my style, I like to give discount, especially it's a fixed amount discount. So the fixed amount discount, perhaps I can put with a minimum purchase price of $15. Okay. And the total usable voucher for all buyers is, maybe I put 100. If you want the voucher to be displayed, you can put display at all page or to do not display, and then you choose your products. After that, you can click confirm. All right, this is how you create the voucher. And if you want your podcast content to promote product, then you select product and you add product. Either you can choose a top sales product or new arrival products. All right, after you confirm, every setting is the same, and then you can send it or schedule for later. So I repeat again, in order to create broadcast message, you are able to target the message to a very targeted customer, be it your followers or be it your buyer. And then you can craft the message by promoting your voucher, your product, or your promotion exclusively for this group of people. So when you create the podcast content, we encourage you to create the effective podcast content that will attract the eyeball of your recipient. So perhaps the tips are, keep your podcast message short and sweet with a clear call to action, such as shop now. You create a sense of urgency by adding an end date to your promotions. All right. Then you can add a product or marketing item to your checkbox message that could include a multiple product, a voucher, a promotions. However, there are 4 pointers that you cannot do when you draft the broadcast message. The number one is the broadcast message with the text only are not allowed. So you must attach a voucher, a promotion, or at least a product. And then if you want to add more item to your chat broadcast message, you can combine one product or promotional product with a voucher to make it attractive. Thirdly is check that your marketing promotions do not expire before you schedule the same time. And then lastly, if all the products in your bundle deal are out of stock, then the message will not be sent. So before you send out or schedule your message, you need to check at your marketing center to make sure all your promotions are running. And lastly, a very important point that I want every one of you to take note is the broadcast message can only be sent out between 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. All right. So I hope today's video helpful to you and you start create your very own broadcast message that targeted to your followers or buyers.